Finding the right journal to publish your manuscript. To help you get the most out of this module, download and open the worksheet. You will use it to help you organize your thoughts. Each slide that has a corresponding question is noted with a bubble. There are 3 things to consider before you begin searching for journals. Know your goals for publishing, identify your audience, and determine your criteria. Once you know these 3 things, you are ready to search for the right journal. First, identify your goals for publishing. Take a moment to reflect on why you want to publish and what you hope to get out of a publication. If you're using the worksheet, fill in question 1 or make a list of your goals. Next, identify your audience. Reflect on who will benefit from your publication and who do you want to read your article. On your worksheet, make note of your primary and secondary audience. Next, you need to determine if you and your audience will benefit from publishing in an open access journal. Articles that are published open access are available for free to readers. However, because journals are not charging subscription fees to readers, they usually charge authors an article processing fee to cover the cost of publication. For more information on publishing models, check out the video Academic Publishing Models linked below. Some of the benefits of open access include that the copyright remains with the authors, allows anyone who has internet access to read the article for free, and a wider reach may improve the article's chances of being cited. Some of the drawbacks include that it usually shifts the cost of publishing to the author, who's responsible for paying the article processing fee. It does not guarantee discoverability of the article, and predatory publishers are exploiting the open access model for their own financial gain without providing appropriate academic publishing standards. Beware, there are scam journals. If you're unsure if a journal is predatory, contact the library or use ThinkCheck Submit. Next, let's determine if you and your audience will benefit from open access. Ask yourself these questions. Does your funding agency require open access publication? If yes, you must follow your funder's requirements. Otherwise, does open access meet one of your goals for publishing? Does your intended audience already have access through their libraries? Do you have the funds to cover the cost? Could those funds be better used? If open access is right for you, you'll add it to your list of criteria in the next step. Now let's determine your criteria. Thinking about your goals and your audience, ask yourself, do you want to be peer-reviewed? In most cases, you will want to publish in a journal that is peer-reviewed. What databases, for example PubMed or Web of Science, do you want your article to be found in? Think about where your readers are going to discover your article. If you're considering promotion or tenure, do you want to publish in a journal with an impact factor or a top quartile journal? Do you want to publish in an open access journal? Are there other criteria to consider to help meet your goals? Take a moment now to list your criteria on your worksheet, or just jot down your list. You'll use this later. There are several venues you can use to find the right journal. Choose a journal in your field that you and your colleagues already read. You can check to see if a society or organization that you belong to publishes a journal. You can search the National Library of Medicine database found in PubMed for journals that publish on your topic. If you want a journal with an impact factor or a specific ranking, search Journal Citation Reports. The library does provide a list of journals that publish case reports and medical education journals. You may also want to contact the Scholarly Communication Librarian for a consultation. Next is a video on how to search the National Library of Medicine and Journal Citations Reports. To find journals that are included in PubMed, start at the Health Sciences Library's website. Scroll down and under Online Databases, click on PubMed. Scroll down again and under Explore, click on Journals. Now you can enter your topic. We'll use audiology as an example. Here you can see we have 63 journals with audiology as a topic. You can narrow this down by clicking on journals currently indexed in Medline, or you can click on journals that are published in English. When you find a journal that interests you, click on the title of the journal for more information and for the link to the journal's website. If you would like to find a journal that has an impact factor or is a top ranking journal, go back to the library's website. This time, under Online Databases, click on View More. In the search bar,
type in JCR. This stands for Journal Citation Reports. Click on Journal Citation Reports, and in the search box you can search by topic again. We'll use audiology. As you can see, before we even hit search, it brings up a list of the journal names and the category. So you can click on the category to see the 33 journals that are in this category. They are listed by impact factors, which you can see here. So you can see these are all first quartile journals. And that is how you can browse for journals in Journal Citation Reports.
We hope the information provided helps you compile a list of potential journals. In the next module, learn how to evaluate a journal to see if your article is the right fit. If you need additional assistance, please contact the library.